Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to care for your kinky weave, how to bring the life back to your dry, frizzy hair. Woof! This hair has been through it all. It looks dry, it looks frizzy, and we're just going to give it a little bit of life. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So my holy grail go-to product is drum roll my coconut oil and leave-in conditioner. I like to use this Q-Care leave-in conditioner. I use this product for my natural hair, so that is what we're going to use today. We're going to mix the leave-in conditioner with a little bit of lukewarm water. This Q-Care leave-in conditioner contains tea tree and cinnamon, which helps to provide maximum moisture to keep your hair soft and healthy. So what I'm going to do is start spraying the mixture from the root of the wig to the ends of the hair. Guys, you're going to spray till it's moist, not dripping wet. And when you're done with that, you're going to start massaging the mixture into the hair. And finally, you're just going to start squeezing. When I say squeezing, you're going to work with your hands. You know the work of a diffuser. Yes, the fingers can also do a better and an amazing job. You're just going to start squeezing the hair from the ends of the weave. You're going to start squeezing it and taking it up. You fold it like you're folding a paper. Yes, you squeeze it from the ends of the hair and you take it up. You squeeze it again, you take it up. I think you guys get the idea, right? Okay, cool. Aside from using it in your kitchen, you can use coconut oil in your hair. Yes, it penetrates the hair strands. It helps to promote good shine in your hair. It also moisturizes dry hair. It adds luster, shine, and it makes the hair very soft. Coconut oil is actually a better option compared to other oils, like let's say sunflower oil, because the absorption rate is so high. It also helps to reduce shedding on the hair. So I'm just going to start applying small amount and build it up as required, and that's it on period. And that's how to curl your hair in 5 minutes. I hope this video was very helpful. If yes, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, comment down below, let me know what's up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.